Hello and welcome. This is going to be a new beginning. So I've decided to start off my YouTube channel. Looks like I've been teaching for quite a few years at both university levels and to professionals. So this is going to be my contribution, and I'll be putting some courses for free. Mostly the content is going to be related to software development, primarily from mobile application development, game development, mobile games, 2D, 3D animations, web development, and anything else related to software development that I find close to my heart. Obviously, things are getting hot for artificial intelligence as well, so we will get some content from there as well. So if you are interested in this kind of content, I think this is a good idea to actually subscribe to this channel, and we will continue to follow up. So the first course which is coming to this channel is going to be game development in Unity, and that is going to be in our local language, Urdu or Hindi. So Urdu course and Hindi course is going to be the first course in Unity game development on the YouTube channel, and it will be uploaded within the next few weeks, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So stay tuned. And then there are other courses like different programming languages, Python, Java, using these languages with machine learning and data science, and you name it. So we will continue to add more courses every now and then. So if this is the kind of content that you're interested in, this is the channel for you. So looking forward to have you on this channel, and feel free to give your feedback in comments down there, and you know where to find my social media handles, maybe in the description of this channel as well. So I hope this is going to be helpful for you all.